Hey guys, what's up? Today I will be pranking my sister or my mom, I don't know, with an air horn. I don't have it yet. It's in the closet. So, I've just been wondering, tell me and Dylan what you guys want to see. You want to see gameplays, more Nerf gun videos. Let's see. Vlogs, dub smashes, all that good stuff. Tell me what you want to see in the comments. And now for the prank. I'm just gonna pretend like I'm walking around with my tablet. Buddy.
What are you doing?
Nothing.
Why are you on record? No, Jacob. Turn it off. I mean, put it back. Don't do that again. I knew you were up to no good. You guys want your waters? If you want your waters, fill them up.
Okay guys, thanks for watching this video. Tell me if you want to see more pranks, because I love doing pranks. And did you see my sister? She went, oh. It took a second for the reaction, but it was just so funny. So thanks for watching. I will see you next time. Bye.